Hello and welcome. I'm Martin Unix, and today I'm going to show you the safest way on how to undo your locks without causing damage or unnecessary breakage. So let's go into it. Just look at that. Soft, full, and incredibly bouncy. You'd never guess this hair was previously locked. All that volume, all that movement, still intact. No shortcuts, just the right technique. Stay with me as I will show you exactly how this transformation is done. Now let's take a closer look at this section. As I gently comb through, you can see how smooth and manageable the hair is becoming. Notice the length fully retained, and the strands are still strong and healthy. This is what proper takedown looks like. Minimal breakage and maximum preservation. Keeping the hair moisturized and working gently is what makes all the difference here. Before we begin the full takedown, let's assess what we are working with. I am taking down this high top section to evaluate each strand clearly. These locks have artificial extensions that have been in place for about 3 years. So first, I am identifying the point where the natural hair meets the extension, right here. This point of intersection is very important as it guides the entire process. I will align the strand to show you how the lock looked before the strand is taken down. And as I gently stretch it, you can see the true length of the natural hair within. Now, since the extensions were attached using an instant method, the safest way to remove them is by carefully cutting them out. This allows us to fully eliminate the artificial part before working on the natural lock. From here, we can now focus on a clean, controlled takedown while preserving the health and length of the natural hair. Now, I am going in with a detangling conditioner. I like calling this a sleep paste or formula. I am applying it generously along the entire length of the lock, making sure every section is fully coated. This step is very important because it softens the hair, restores moisture, and hands the sleep needed to safely loosen the strands. The more evenly it's distributed, the easier and safer the takedown process becomes. So, take your time here, ensure every part is well covered and properly circulated. This is what sets the foundation for a smooth, damage-free unraveling. Now I am working the product deeper into the lock. I go in with a gentle squeezing and controlled rubbing. This helps relax the tangled stretch of the lock. This technique softens the build-up inside, allowing the strand to slowly loosen without force. Think of it as activating the conditioner, helping it penetrate and do its job effectively. As I work through the strand, I am applying controlled manipulation to ease tension and prepare the hair for the comb out. The goal here is simple: soften first, then detangle. And when done correctly, the process becomes much smoother, safer, and more efficient. Now we begin the unraveling process. I am using a sharp pointed pin, working in very close, controlled intervals along the lock. Notice how I push the pin in, then slide it through. This helps loosen the strands gradually instead of forcing them apart. Precision is key here. The smaller the sections, the safer the process, and the less breakage you will have. As I continue, you may notice some loose fibers coming off. These are remnants from the artificial extension that was cut off earlier. So this is completely normal and part of the cleanup process. The focus here is to slowly open up the lock, maintaining control while preserving as much of the natural hair as possible. Now I continue with the close precise comb out, staying very intentional with each section. The focus here is control, working slowly through the hair, to avoid unnecessary tension and breakage. I keep the spacing of the compound very close so that I can safely release the strands without pulling or forcing them. Now, it's important to understand that even with proper technique, a small amount of minimal breakage can sometimes be noticed. This usually comes from trapped shed hair that has been inside the lock for a long time. So what I am removing here is not healthy growth. It's mostly released shed fibers that were naturally held within the lock structure. The key is to differentiate between natural shedding and actual damage from the process. And as you can see, by working gently and consistently, the hair is opening up smoothly while still maintaining its strength and integrity. This is why patience and precision are the most important factors in a safe takedown. Now that this section is fully combed out, I go in gently to refine it. I carefully comb through once more just to ensure everything is smooth, soft, and fully detangled. Then I test the section by gently flexing and releasing it several times. This helps me assess the elasticity, strength, and overall health of the hair. And as you can see, the hair responds well, it stretches and returns without snapping, showing good elasticity and integrity. It's also retaining its natural fullness and length, which confirms that the takedown has been done correctly and safely. This is exactly what we aim for: healthy, revived natural hair after lock removal. If you're new here, like my comment, share to your friends, and consider subscribing. Now I am examining the next strand to locate the exact point where the extension meets the natural hair. Once identified, I carefully cut it right at that point, clean and precise. This ensures we remove only the extension, that is the artificial part, while preserving the natural length. And of course, I will be going back in with my sleep restore formula, keeping the hair soft, hydrated, and ready for smooth takedown. I repeat the same preparation process before the compound. Take note, this is a dry lock, and I am applying the product directly onto it. Watch how the texture begins to change almost instantly, from a firm, compact structure to a softer, more flexible feel. This shows just how well the sleep restore formula penetrates through the lock. A good detangling product should be able to break through the density, restore moisture, and creating that necessary sleep. This transformation is exactly what we want before any compound is softened, relaxed strands that can be worked through safely. The better the penetration of this stench, the easier and more controlled unraveling process becomes. Starting from the tip, I gently comb upward to loosen the strands step by step. This method reduces tension and helps prevent breakage. As I work through, the remaining extension fibers slide out naturally, showing a clean and controlled separation from the natural hair. This is Martin Unix, and welcome to the Locs Hub, where we focus on healthy lock care, detailed techniques, and real transformations. On this channel, I share in-depth tutorials, maintenance routines, and professional tips to help you master your lock journey. For bookings or one-on-one sessions, check details in the description. I also offer virtual classes. If you are looking to learn these techniques step by step, be sure to reach out. You can choose to support the channel by joining as a member or grabbing some merch. If you are new here, make sure to like, subscribe, share, and stay locked. Not forgetting to put your notification bell on so that you can always get notified whenever we are going live on this channel. Now I continue with the compound, maintaining very close, consistent spacing with each pass. This level of precision is important as it helps release the strands gradually while minimizing breakage. By keeping the intervals tight, I am able to stay in control of the process and avoid putting stress on the hair. And as you will notice towards the end, breakage is kept to a minimum, which is exactly the goal. Once the section is fully combed out, I go in to refine it with a gentle comb through. Then I flex and release the hair to assess the texture. You can see the softness and the natural movement coming through. This confirms that the hair has been properly handled, healthy, full, and well preserved. Just look at that bounce. Soft, full, and full of life. This is the result of careful, well executed takedown. From proper assessment, precise removal of extensions, deep conditioning, and all the way to controlled compound. Every step plays a role in preserving the length, strength, and overall health of the hair. As you can see, the results speaks for themselves. Natural, voluminous, and beautifully restored. This is how you transition from locks back to loose natural hair the right way. Clean technique, patience, and right approach. That's the difference. That brings us to the end of this transformation. And that's the safest way on how to undo your locks while leaving the hair healthy and intact. So if you find this tutorial informative, kindly consider sharing to your friends, like more, comment, and stay locked for more tutorials to come. Thank you.